Science.
And a 1, 2.
Woo! Dance. How? Hey kids, Professor Marbles here. Today we're gonna do jumping jacks. Oh wait, no, that's not it. We're doing jumping pepper. Jumping pepper. Yeah, sorry. So we're gonna go do jumping pepper in the lab. Away!
All right, and this is the part where we run the comb through our hair. We gotta do our hair, right? And that'll
Do our hair. Say no more.
No, I meant the comb.
Comb?
What is he saying?
No, the comb.
Oh, your hair.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Did it work?
I'd say the pepper moved a lot.
Yeah. Science.
Science.
All right. So now that we figured it out, we're gonna do it the right way.
Oh yeah, no, for sure, but
We've got paper plate. We're gonna add some fresh crushed pepper. Fresh crushed pepper. We just kind of want to have that like dispersed amongst. I don't know. Should we add a little more?
Yeah, if you want.
Add a little more.
Say when.
You say when. You say when.
When. That's a good amount, I think.
Okay. And then it's pretty simple. Comb through your hair a couple of times, hold it over, and it should do a little bit more than that.
Yeah, he didn't run it through his hair yet, so it's not moved at all.
Science.
All right, let's get to the experiment.
He's not messing around.
It ain't science if you don't look good.
True that. Yeah, get that windswept look.
Nice hair.
Yeah, science.
Oh, look at that. We're getting some movement out of that bad boy.
Yeah.
I want to see some movement. I'm not seeing enough movement.
Little jumping beans, except it's jumping pepper.
Pepper jack.
Pepper jack.
Yeah.
No, what? No. What?
See what they did there? Because of the science? All right. I think it kind of has like a limited effect as soon as you've kind of like attracted a good amount of pepper.
Yeah, once that like energy disperses.
That's pretty cool and pretty easy. Anyone can do that at home, even you.
oh yeah, no, for sure, but
So we've put down some other spices to see if those work as well. So we're gonna do the same steps in the experiment. We're gonna comb our hair, hold it over the spices, and see what happens. So away we go. Giving myself a nice little comb over. Not that I'm bald. Who's bald? Nothing wrong with being bald. No, just a single darn thing.
You just wouldn't have hair.
Here we go.
I wanna play with Legos. Cause this childish is coming to an end, and I have a hard time coping with it.
That's crazy. I can't keep this hype.
I can't do that either. I wish I was paprika.
I haven't heard it.
Well, that's it for this experiment. Remember to like and subscribe.
Yeah.
And remember to always look for the science around you, and I will see you in the next experiment.
They ask what you wanna do right now. I say